lock, dead stock kicks, and the bitch gon' make the bed rock. Lead hot, nigga trip on me, I bet his head pop. He looked up, all he seen was a red dot. Heat stick, hot stick, round with a mop stick, and going back and forth. If it's on, we on ops quick. Freak bitch toxic, I fucked her then I blocked it. Nigga try to run up on his run, we get to knocking. If you ain't choosing, then you losing, baby, get with me.
Is it tires or?
Do I have to give it a little bit of gas? I was holding the clutch. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Now I'm on the box. It's not getting started, right?
Yeah.
When you control the kickstands up, is it just the red button?
Yeah.
Do I need to hold the clutch in?
No. Oh, wait. You gotta leave it like two, like that. And it won't move.